Hi everyone, it's Lori with Main Street Gardener, Zone 7B, and it is just a gorgeous sunny day. So I recently did a container filled with pansies and violas, and I had a lot of flowers left over. So in this video, I'm actually going to use those leftover flowers and make 3 arrangements. And so I thought I'd show you. Hopefully you get some joy out of the beautiful colors and maybe some ideas for your garden. So this first container, actually, it looks like terracotta, but it is a ceramic container. I recently got it on a little shopping venture, and I actually got it for $12. I was so excited. It's so pretty and unique, and I just really liked that it has that terracotta look. So for this container, I am adding in some ivy. I love to add ivy to containers. It just drapes over the side, and it's something that I can transplant later. I can use it in another container. It just has so much flexibility. It's a great filler or spiller, I guess. So I had some more tulips left. These are going to be a pink tulip. So I'm going to place the tulips in the center just to really have those coming up in the center. It'll be really striking, I think. And then once the tulips are done, I can cut those away, and I know the pansies and violas will just take over. Now I'm putting these in today. I will probably start fertilizing these once a week in another week or two. I'm going to let them get established. So this container is all filled with just delicious, beautiful shades of pink and maroon and some darker reds, and then the pink tulips, some creams. I think it's just going to be beautiful once it really takes off. So I've added a little bit of water. I need to do some more, and it's absolutely going to be stunning. Now I have enough flowers left. We're going to start on our second little container. So I have this little metal basket. I have a larger one out of my shade garden, and I thought this would be so sweet, almost like an Easter basket. So we're going to go ahead and get this one filled up, and I'm going to just fill it with pansies and violas to just sing in the season of spring. I think this turned out so sweet. I can see though my terracotta pot has a crack in it, but that's okay. It'll make it through this season. So now I'm just going to get the table all cleaned up. I still have flowers left, so we're going to head over into the garden and work on a third, or actually 4th container with all the flowers that I purchased. Let's give these guys a soak, get our table cleaned up, and then I'll meet you over in the garden. container actually has a small hydrangea in it that I actually added in the end of the season. So I got it at the end of the season, and it's supposed to be like one of the miniature hydrangeas. I can't remember the name of it, but it looks like it's made it through winter. You never know when you get something that's so small. This was like a starter plant. So I'm really excited. But for now, because it's going to be slow to take off, I'm going to fill this container with the leftover pansies and violas. So I think it'll be really beautiful. I think I have just enough to go around the outside edge and not really disturb the roots of the little hydrangea. It was a gorgeous day to spend in the garden and on my patio, just enjoying these sweet little spring blooms. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you'll take a minute to click like, subscribe, and I'll see you back in the garden in just a couple days. Thanks, everybody.